These are my inventions for the weekend. This is my Savage. Put some street wheels on it. See what we could do with this bad boy on actually surface instead of going on the sand and stuff. So there's some slicks there. Got a Proline body, painted myself. HPI Savage XL. Doesn't have a 5.9, it has the Axial 28. And now we're going to use this guy, which actually I'm trying to hook up. Got the rims off, these are actually my Baja rims. This is a Sen 7.7. I took off the trimming on the wheels, painted it yellow, waiting for them to dry. They're actually right here. So I'm going to slap those on. It's going to look kind of fancy there.